Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous Toyota Auris 1.8 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 31,486 miles and it's finished in the colour denim blue. Now this is a very fuel efficient and very spacious hatchback. It has very nice chrome detailing throughout the exterior. Sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have your bi-LED headlights which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. This Auris does come with keyless entry and go, making access to the vehicle super easy. Here in the boot you'll find 435 litres of boot space, which can be increased to 1,199 with the rear seats down. You do have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor as well, which is a very handy touch to have. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you do have a very premium feeling interior with part leather. You also have a nice pattern in the centre of these seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Take a look inside here up front, you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel. Move into your front seats and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. Starting on the dashboard here, you'll find your button for your park assist. The vehicle will park itself, you simply follow the guidance as it guides you through. Here on the steering wheel you've got your multifunction controls for the infotainment system as well as your trip display that you'll find in the instrument cluster. Here on the display you've got all of your standard driving data including your miles to the gallon. You even have your energy monitor for the hybrid system as well. You've also got access to a compass for the navigation system there, audio vehicle messages as well as some settings as well. In the centre of the dashboard here you've got your touchscreen infotainment system. You've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB connectivity, CD player, auxiliary input and Bluetooth. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. Your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls. You do also have your Toyota Online feature here where you've got access to your weather, fuel. You can even access applications as well. Here in your car menu, you've got your energy monitor for the hybrid system. You can also see your trip information as well as past records of trip recordings. You do have a reverse camera as well as sensors to make parking easy. Your dual zone automatic climate control is underneath the display here. You also have your switches for your heated front seats with a choice of temperature options, your automatic gear selector there in the centre. Underneath here you'll find your different driving modes. You've got Eco, EV mode and your power mode as well.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.